This is a 2006 Forest River Cherokee. It's a travel trailer toy hauler and it's 33 feet long. Has a large patio awning, large windows, the rear of the trailer we have a rear ladder, have a 7-foot tall opening door. It's a convertible dinette that also turns into an electric bed that raises and lowers. In the garage, it's 6 feet long by 7.8 feet tall and 7.9 feet wide. It's a cloth upholstered sofa bed, cloth upholstered chair, AM FM CD radio, 20-inch flat screen TV, solid surface countertops in the kitchen, double sink, 3-burner range top, microwave. There's a 2-door Dometic refrigerator freezer, plenty of overhead storage. It's a handheld shower with a skylight. Also has a small tub. Sink and vanity. Plenty of storage space. In the front we have a queen-size bed. Plenty of cabinets and drawers. There's also storage located underneath the bed. In this unit also has a gas fueling station on the left side on the exterior bay.